All right, back to the scheduled program here. I am going to go after my x's here. I'm going to just go ahead and take that one away from that one. There'll be no x. A negative y, 6 minus 5 is a singular z. Negative 24 minus a negative 21 is a negative 3. So I'm deciding to attack my x's. That's what I'm going to do. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to 5 this dude and put it together with this one. So we'll copy down 5x minus 4y plus 2z is 21. When I 5 this, I'll get negative 5x minus 25y plus 30z equal to negative 120. And I get to add. There are no x's. There's a negative 29y. Let's see here. There is 32z. And there's negative 99. So this equation right here is going to end up being multiplied by, and I'm going to go ahead and use a negative. I'll multiply it by a negative 29. That's going to make 29y minus 29z. And then what? 60 and 87, so positive 87. 60, yeah. Add down. There are 3 z's, and that's going to be negative 12. So I have a z value of negative 4. And I can just start plugging that thing back in. Oh, by the way, over here, this was no solution. Should have wrote that. Back to that one. That's a pretty good equation to plug into. It's nice and small. Negative y minus 4 is negative 3. Negative y is 1. Y is negative 1. So I have y, I have z. I got a perfectly good equation right there that I can plug crap into. 5x minus 4, y was encountered, plus 2, z was encountered, must equal 21. So 5x plus 4 minus 8, so plus 4 minus 8 is 21. I'm going to add 4, 5x is 25, and my x value is 5. So I have my order triple 5, negative 1, negative 4. And she's done. 21 is up next. I feel like going after S. Mainly because this one will be easy, right? That one right there. 6r minus s plus 3t is negative 9. 3r minus s plus 4t is negative 5. And I'll just subtract down. There are 3 r's. S take away negative s is nothing. 3 take away 4 is negative 1. And negative 9 minus negative 5 is negative 4. It really doesn't matter what you do next, but I'm going to 5 this one. And I'm going to put it together with that one. So 5r plus 5s minus 5t must be 20. And when I 5 this one, I'll have 15r minus 5s plus 20t, and it will be equal to a negative 25. Then I'll add down. There are 20 r's, there are no s's, there are 15 t's, and the sum is negative 5. So what's going to have to happen next? Next thing is this guy's going to have to be 15. Sorry, did I say 15? Yeah, he's going to have to be 15. 45r minus 15t is a negative 60. Then I can add down. There is 65r. There are no t's. I'm equal to negative 65, and my r value is negative 1. And it's time to just start plugging crap in. Throw that thing right there. 3 negative 1's minus a t is a negative 4. 3 negative 1's makes negative 3, counteracts negativity with positivity. Negative t is negative 1, and the t value is 1. And then I can go up to maybe this equation right here. That's just the one I'm going for. 6r was encountered minus s plus 3t was encountered is negative 9. So this makes -6. That makes 3. -6 and 3 is -3. I counteract the negativity through addition. Negative s is -6, and the s value is 6. So this ordered triple is RST, right? RST. -1, 6, 1. Two to go. After these, it's all downhill. What do I want to tackle on this guy? C. Or B. It doesn't really matter. Let's do C. Double the top one. Oh, which I didn't do. I said double the top one. Didn't do it. -6a minus 2b minus 6c is -16. And I'm going to add it to this one. -5a plus 3b plus 6c, I like this, is -4. This worked out well. Oh, that was my goal. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going to add them together. -11a plus a b is -22. And I guess I'll do it again and see what happens. So I doubled that and added that one. I'm going to triple this one now and add it to the top one. -3a minus b minus 3c is -8. And I'm going to triple this bottom one right here. Sorry, you can't see what I wrote, can you? Triple the bottom one. That's -18a minus 12b plus 3c is -60. And then I'm just going to add down. -21a minus 13b is -68. Well, these numbers got big, didn't they? That really kind of stinks. I should probably go back and make sure I did everything right. I don't see anything wrong. So, what are we going to have to do here? We're going to have to multiply this dude by 13. It's going to have to be 13. Bummer. That kind of stinks. So anyways, 13 times 11 is 130 plus 11, 141. Numbers got a little bigger. I believe that's right. 13 times 11, 130 add 13. Yeah. I said 141, didn't I? I meant 143. Plus 13b equal to 13 22s. That's going to be 260 and 26, so 286. And then I'm going to add. This is going to be -100 and what? 64? That was kind of interesting. How about this dude? Bummer. Something has gone wrong, hasn't it? All right, let me pause so I don't waste your time and figure out where the mistake was, because apparently one was made. You've probably already seen it at home. All right, so I found my mistake. A new one was made. It was right here. I wrote -18. It was -16. That changes that to -20. That changes that to -260. And we put these two together, we get our -328. So we divide by that -164 and we get a +2. So there you go. I made a mistake. It happens, but found it and fixed it. All right, so I have A. I can plug it in right here and get B. That's going to be a -22. I'll counteract the negativity with positivity, and I'll get 2. So A is 2, B is 2. And now I can plug them into something from the original set. Probably go up top. Makes sense. -3 times 2 minus 2 minus 3c is -8. This will be a -6 minus 2, which is -8. Oops. -8 minus 3c is -8. The 8's cancel. -3c is 0. Divide by my -3, and c is 0. So 2, 2, 0 is my ordered pair. Well, that one threw me off a little bit. Oops. All right. Last one of these, and I'll be done with this little segment. I guess I'll go after y. It looks like the nicest thing to go after to me. So I'm going to take this equation. I'm actually going to multiply it by -2. I'm not trying to throw you all off by doing negatives. I actually don't know that most kids should do it. I don't know that I should do it this morning. But I'm going to, because then I can add. You double check my work. And I get to add down. There are 2 x's, there are no y's, there are a -9 z's, and 23. And I've got to do it again. So I'm actually going to play with this same equation in the top one. This time I'm going to multiply that guy by -3. That'll give me 9x minus 3y minus 15z equal to 15. I'm going to write the top equation down. -5x plus 3y plus 6z is 4. And again, I'm going to double check my work. All right, looks good to me. 4x minus 9z, I'm adding, by the way, is 19. So here's my equations. Oh, that's cool. Those matched. So I can just subtract, right? 2 minus 4 is -2. Z's cancel. 23 minus 19 is 4. I have an x value of -2. Then I can go back and I can plug some crap in. Like right here. 4 -2's minus 9z's is 19. That's -8, which I counteract negativity through positivity. That's going to give me 27. And z is -3. So I have x to z. That looks like a good one to plug things in. -4 times -2 plus 2y minus 3 is 13. This is going to be 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. 2y is 8. Y is 4. So I have this ordered triple, -2, 4, -3. Oh, and that was the worst of it. So I'm going to stop this video so I don't lose my work, because this happened yesterday. It crashed after I had done most of the sheet. That sheet stinks.